What's going on, guys? We're back. We're not working on this today. We have another project to do. Actually, it's gonna be a fun one with this one. We're gonna be doing a little facelift on it. Getting rid of these old faded, nasty headlights, and getting rid of the old fake, nasty, cheap eBay grill. I think it'll be a big improvement, but first we need to get this out of the way, and we need to get this in the way. So we'll get that all moved and be back in just a second. Alright, got it moved around. Now, it's time to unload this guy's stuff. And hey, don't forget to give this guy a follow on Instagram. I'll put it down here. It's 6-speed spooling on Instagram. Yeah. So go give him a follow on his page, and you'll see more of this thing, I'm sure, because we have a lot to do. Should we show them the parts?
Yeah, I suppose we should.
We're going to show you what's in the boxes so you don't have to wait. I think it'd be more fun to make you wait, but might as well show you.
Well, we're upgrading the eBay grill to a higher end, straight from Japan, Amazon model. So that should be good. We should probably check for damages.
Or make sure they sent you the right one. So you didn't even open this yet?
I kind of did, just like that.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Telling you, nothing but the finest from Amazon Auto. Ooh, there's some steps on it. It'll come out. Look at that high quality Oriental plastic. That'll look good.
It will, but they didn't. I guess hopefully we can reuse clips and stuff.
There should be some, there's supposed to be some with it. There we go.
Cool.
I guess
So
I'll throw the tailgate in.
I think we're gonna start with the. Let's save the best for last. Let's do the headlights first. Put the grill on last, just so you guys get the whole effect. You don't need to see things too quick. All right, guys, hang on, Don. One little update. This is gonna be a two-parter. This is why you always double check your parts before you put them on, take them out of the box. Oh, Amazon. Supposed to be better than eBay. That's no good. So we're gonna exchange that, get that replaced. But like I said, we could at least get the headlights and make it a two-parter. It's still gonna be good. Just changing these out, it's gonna change things a lot. So when we get up there in the grill, you guys will see big changes. But anyway, headlights today, grill another time. All right, guys, changing these headlights is pretty easy. I'll show you on this side since it's I missed the poles. There's 110 there, one there, and then when you look back in here, you're gonna see in the inner fender the little hole, little plug hole. There's, you probably can't see it, but there's, put my finger on a stud with another 10mm nut. That's all that holds these headlights on. So once you get those 3 off, it'll pull out. We'll unplug it. We'll start putting new ones in.
You even have the nut on the back side of this one. It's a nice thing about buying a used truck. Some of the previous owners will do the work for you when it comes to removing items.
So you only have one bolt holding this headlight on?
Well, no, I mean there's integrity in the design. I mean,
you gotta just pull it, man.
Yeah, I know. There we go.
All right. Do you have new headlights?
Negative. So actually, I'll leave that in there for now, so that I don't get my grubby fingers on it.
What's wrong with that, man?
Oh man.
Here.
That one was.
Yeah, that's fine. All right. Taking that thing off. If anybody's interested in these things, you know, they're not perfect. They're faded on top, and he just wants a different look. They're not broken. So if anybody's interested in them for like, I don't know, $50? Right? Is that fair?
You pay shipping, it could be the channel's first giveaway. I'll even autograph it.
I don't know if we're ready for the channel's first giveaway. What am I going to give it away at? Like, anyway, if you guys are local, know us, or just feel like asking about these things, they'll be cheap. They'll be cheap. But this is what we're replacing them with. Actually, you need to. We'll let them.
We'll just set one in there.
Yeah. Okay. That works.
Pull it up.
Just set one in.
Well, can't set it in there too far because the retainers are still in there.
Damn.
Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna like that.
That changes things. I almost bought these for mine, but that's a different story. These, you guys will see later, have this nice white accent light, and they're light smoke. So he's not going away from the factory look like we did on that one. He's just changing it a little bit, which will be a huge improvement over just a standard. I think there's too much going on there. So anyway, and he's going a different route than I did with mine. He's gonna keep the chrome and try to add a little bit of chrome, and we're against it, kind of. We'll see, but yeah, get these suckers put on. That's one. All right, we got both headlights off. We got our wiring figured out for our new markers. And I think I'm going to set you guys down, and we're going to speed through putting these back on. We'll show you one. It'll be easy. You know, you just put them on how you took them off. But yeah, I'll put you guys down. We'll jump through this real quick and see what she looks like when we're done. I'm pretty excited to see these things on this truck. It's a real bummer the grill didn't work out, but hey, I guess you guys are just gonna have to wait for another one. That's all that is. All right, update. Well, they're in. They're in, on, and it looks better. Looks a lot better. So clean. Turn them on. The only thing now is you're going to want switchbacks because you don't want really cool marker lights, white marker lights, and then orange amber marker lights too. You don't have to turn a key on, man. What do you turn the headlights on for? Whew. They're working. I don't think they're really doing anything, but...
I do too, and they fit pretty good, actually.
Alright guys, well as you can tell we got them done. We got them lit up. They all work. Look great. It's a real shame we didn't get that grill done today. Well, hopefully we'll get another replacement soon so we can get this one off of there and get this done. But don't forget his Instagram is going to be on the screen. 6-speed spooling on Instagram. And comment down below and let us know if you like them or not. You'd be crazy not to. It's actually a pretty good look. Anyway, thanks for sticking with us and watching us fumble our way through this project. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video. Share it if you want to. Thank you, and see you on the next one.